Are you a website designer or a social media person? Or do you do paid ads? Or do you have any service that you can offer to a newly created website? Say SEO or just anything to a newly created website and business. Then this video is for you. I'll show you how you can get clients for people who have just established businesses. You and I know that newly established businesses require a lot of services. Some of them, they even don't know they need them. So it will be upon you to tell them you may need this or that. So how do you get to know how or where new businesses have been registered? So I'll show you exactly that, where you can locate newly established businesses so that you can target with your services. So quick, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Check it out. It's free for you to play with it. So I'm gonna sign in here. I already have an account. Login. There you go. So this platform is offering you a lot of services. But for today specifically, I want us to look at how do you get to know the newly registered websites, and so that you can target them with different services. Right. So you just come here. Today only, we are offering you 31,940 newly registered websites. And out of this, since we started, we can give you 44 million emails, 78,000 cell phones, and 77 landlines. So how do you get this? Look at this. We have 191,000, and we'll give you 31,000 emails and 74,000 cell phones, and also 74,000 landlines. On and on and on. Crazy amount of numbers. So what do you do when you get here? You just need to click here, download the CSV, the one you want. And if you're using this platform to run your campaign, you just need to transfer data campaigns. Click on transfer, and that will be it. Just click on download here, for instance. I don't want to start this, so let me choose another one. Say a different date, on 16th. So just click on download and you get your data. As simple as that. From that data, now you can save in terms of probably you want specific countries, you want specific regions, or you want any unique data from the output that you will get. That's all I had for you. It's quick and short and sweet for you to get more clients. In case you need some clarity, feel free. Our WhatsApp or Telegram are in the description. Reach out. In case you need a live demo, we'll do that for you. Thank you, and see you on the next one. It's goodbye.